Hey guys, so our final project that we are going to be working on in class is a food truck project. And so what we're going to be doing is you can either work in your cooking group or you can work by yourself. And you're going to kind of like work your way through creating a business and creating a food truck business. So you're going to be picking a theme, picking a name, designing your food truck, designing your menu, picking out your equipment, getting it all put together. And then at the end, your product is basically going to be a Google slideshow that's going to kind of work through all the different steps. I divided the steps into different folders, so you're going to kind of work your way through the folders. It will be very imperative that you finish the first folder before you move on to the second, before you move on to the third, etc. They kind of build on top of each other. If you are working in a group, it would be good for you guys to kind of split up the work a little bit so you don't have so much work kind of overwhelming one person. I am going to be creating a slideshow presentation for each of the groups. You can change the themes and stuff like that once I share it with you, but it's going to also be shared with everybody in your group. So at the end, you're going to submit this entire product. It is going to be due on the 21st. Something to kind of keep in mind is the fact that next week we have very short periods. We have only 20-minute periods for each of our classes. So that's going to really limit the amount of time in class that we have to work on this. So it's going to be able to share with everybody. So therefore, everybody's going to be able to be able to edit it and also submit it. So this is the first video. You're just going to be going through. Each folder is going to have a video with directions, and also is going to have a worksheet of directions. You're just going to read the directions and kind of fill out the PowerPoint as you go along. Okay, see you in the next video.